So for our sanitizing effort, we're going to be using Clean and Shine. And Clean and Shine was developed originally for hospital rooms where the noticed that the patient that was in there, when they left, the next patient would occasionally catch the same bacteria or virus infection that was there. So they figured they needed to really get this clean. A chlorine-based solution was going to harm their equipment. They were looking for something that was going to be gentle on the equipment and smell good. And Clean and Shine is a great smelling, easy to use, and it won't stain your fabrics or harm equipment and can be left dry. In this case, even a turkey baster could be a nice dosing system. This is 2 ounces here, so you would take 3 of these with the 3 gallons in the tank to fill that baby up, and then add your water. So you can use soluble products. Make sure you use this filter basket to take those powders when placing them, and pre-mix them and then pour them in here so that you don't get any of those powders that are left over. All right, there's 1 ounce. Two. We're constrained by the size of the ball. 3. 4 ounces. And then we'll add 2 gallons of water. It's 3 gallons capable, but we just need 2 gallons. So now we're adding in our 2nd gallon of bottle to mix with the solution to get our spray per the manufacturer's label for Clean and Shine for sanitizing. Each product that you may present through this machine, you'll want to read the label and make sure you have the right amount of product. Mixology.